How to know if someone only sent you a Snapchat. Now, if you pull up your Snapchat account right here, and then once you logged in, if you go directly to your messages, let's go to our messages. Now, that kind of a certain feature is not yet available, or a feature that is not yet applicable with Snapchat. The only thing that you're able to know if someone is sending you a snap that is specifically only by you is when they send you a Snapchat and then mention your name. Now, if you'll receive a Snapchat and then there will be a certain masses of specific persons that is actually involved with that Snapchat, it's actually called a mass Snapchat or group messages that will be sending you out to you. Again, that certain feature is not yet applicable or available in Snapchat for you to know if you're the only one or if someone is only sending a Snapchat specifically only you.